All right, guys, this is very rare for me to do a video like this. I don't usually am bearish on anything, but Palantir, if I was going to be bearish, this is the stock that I would do it on. Now, hear me out. I know looking at this chart it is extremely bullish. There's, why would I be bearish now? So there's a lot of ways, if you guys have been watching my videos, there's a lot of ways on how I can get reversals, all right, and catch tops and bottoms. I've been doing it for quite some time. I'm pretty good at it. Not everything's perfect, but I will say when you look at a weekly chart and you see that price is touching this upper band here, there's a lot of the times is when you hug it like this that it can come back down. Yes, it can do something like this too and go up a lot. But I'm going to show you guys a couple things that I've noticed. The next thing is a monthly chart. This is the first time I've probably ever seen a stock have a big body of a candle of a monthly this far above my Keltner settings. My Keltner settings are pretty strict. If you just touch my Keltner, they're at an average true range of 4, which basically means average true range means like if price goes to a certain area, if it goes to that 4 mark, it's due for a pullback, right? Because it's imbalanced. It's you can only pull a yo-yo and till it's or a bandit or rubber band, my bad, and then till it snaps, right? And that's really the logic of using the Keltner channels, right? And so price is so far out that this is not sustainable, okay? So I'm looking at the weekly and then I'm looking at the daily. The daily is going to give me very clear entries, all right? I'm not trying to say long term. I think short term, it is very good to be bearish and then wait for price to come back to my areas. If you look at the weekly chart, you can see where we could have got really good entries near the 10 and then the 20 and this massive move up. And we can see that constantly. I love, me personally, the ones I'm going to alert in the Discord are going to be these plays right here, the EMA 50. Now, are we going to hit the EMA 50 for a while? Probably not. It's going to take a big rejection to come all the way back down to here. I don't think it's going to happen for a while. But as you can see, if you played it on the EMA 50, the minute we started seeing a fresh trend idea, right? When the EMA 50 is at the top, it's a downtrend. You could see price going under and under, and they're rejecting at what areas? The 10 and the 20. 10 to 20, going down, 10, 20. Sometimes they'll go to the 50, go down. And then if they, once it decides to break out, just like breakout patterns, they break out, they come retesting the 50, and then they go back up again. And this is a whole new trend idea, all right? So for Palantir, I love the stock. Don't get me wrong, I love the stock. But I don't want anyone, I don't think anyone should buy it right here. If you're just, let's just say, you're short-term bearish or you're bearish at this valuation, you basically just wouldn't play. You don't have to short it. There's plenty of ways to do it. You could get longer-term puts out here. I would never do a month or a week, 13 days. I would at least do, me personally, I love to do 2 months and above. I would probably do 3 months to be a little safer. That way you're not doing with the theta. And I do like 1 in the money. It's going to cost you quite a bit because if you do, get, I'm a less risky player, right? I don't like to be risky in anything, and I'm not really a buying and options player. So if I'm thinking about doing this, this is pretty rare for me, right? So yeah, you could do like 1 contract, and it's going to cost you, pretty a lot. So it just depends on how you want to do it. I personally think short-term correction, we're due for one. I don't like that a monthly candle is this far above. I've never really seen that. And these are monthly candles. You can see from just going from this high to here, we dropped 25%, right? We went right under this Keltner again. And then where did we bounce? We bounced on this EMA 5, which is acting as support. I would not short when, this is a monthly candle, right? Hitting these EMAs are going to be big support levels. So basically what I'm saying is price should be going back under this Keltner channel or, or at least near it, or even leads to the EMA 5 eventually, all right? It's going to take some time. That was a monthly chart. And you can see on the daily chart here, you see when price goes away from the EMA 5, it comes back to it. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then right here we had this drop from this high here doing a 7% down move. You make pretty freaking good money with options if you get a 7% down move, just saying. So, you choose your options. I say anything 1 month is good in my experience. I wouldn't do a week, or you could do 1 month. That you probably find you would have made pretty good bank here. So we know in a shorter term time frame like the daily, we're going to touch the 5. All right, we're going to touch the 5, and what I'm looking for is, does price come back above this Keltner channel like something like this, where you can accumulate till that price comes back down. Okay, when it touches this Keltner channel on a smaller time frame, you see it touches it, goes down, tries to go above it, it can't sustain it, goes down. It tries to touch it, it goes down, and you can make a lot of money doing this on Palantir. I wouldn't buy it at this valuation. Me personally, I would wait till at least to the EMA 10 on the weekly. Obviously, this is going to go up every day as price is super bullish. This went from 80 to 87. But we are in kind of like the no man's land area here. I see a lot of people be like, "Oh, is Palantir ever going to go up?" And I'd be like, "What do you mean? Palantir has had one of the biggest bullish runs ever. He went from like $5 to all the way to 120. And then when this goes plummeting down, there's going to be a lot of bag holders, and a lot of people are like complaining about Palantir. I hear it all the time. And that's why I kind of want to make this video and be like, I think you should just be careful, all right? Would I buy it here? Heck no. Would I look to sell it, buy puts? I would wait for the daily candle to be above this upper counter channel. That way I can get a really nice entry and very precise entry. And then when it does go down, you can make pretty good money just to this 5. But I think we'll hit the 10 here soon on the daily. We'll see. But I just never seen a chart like this that have a monthly like this. You guys that see my system, try to find stocks like this. This is kind of a unicorn stock. That is pretty rare. I'm not gonna lie. So it could be, it could go down pretty fast. So we'll see. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see these active alerts, you guys are more than welcome to join. I think you guys are gonna love this system. How I can get precise entries, downtrends and uptrends. I am more of a bullish type player. I look for stocks that are doing this, but to the green band, right? So if you look at Palantir, let me see if I can show you. Like, yeah, you can see when Palantir gets close to this green band, it never actually looks like it ever touched my bottom band. Palantir has always been a bullish looking stock. Actually, I am wrong. These are the kind of setups I look to buy on Palantir. You see how we have this EMA 5 time distance. We're heading this lower band. And this right here is how you trade against the trend and get an insane average right here using my system. And then bam, we go up massive. And if you had the courage to hold this from all the way from 2022, you would have made massive money. But I highly encourage always take the gains, because this is never guaranteed, right? So yeah, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, I would love to have you guys. I think you guys will love it. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. And in the description, it'll say, join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. And don't worry, it's not going to cost you a tremendous amount of money. I am doing a promotion that if you just want to try the service, I can lock you guys in for $12 a month for this month only. And you're going to get all my alerts, swing trades alerts, day trade alerts. And these alerts have an insane win ratio, okay? Swing trading alone, we won all of our trades last week, making 100% gains. Day trades has been all month of February has had no losses, if that tells you something. So there's a lot of things, and you might be like, that sounds too good to be true. Well, like I said before, I'm a very conservative player. I look for base hits, and I'm not trying to look for massive home run hits. My day trading strategy is selling credit spreads. It's a unique strategy that not a lot of people know about, and I can show you guys how to do it. But click the how to subscribe if you come in this Discord and hit day trade alerts right here. It'll take you to this channel, day trade alerts, and you'll see all my notifications, everything. And basically that will say is, would you like to subscribe? $12 a month, lock you in for a lifetime discount as long as you keep the service open. We're looking to expand and increase it. So lock in the discount. I promise you guys will like it. You will learn a lot. And then if you subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed this video about Palantir. This is one of my most favorite setups. It's not coming back. So remember, we can play two sides of the coin on this. All right. I'm not saying, this is going to make, take a dump down. Nobody knows that. But I do know this is overextension here, especially looking at a monthly chart. This is the first time I've probably ever seen this. So I just wanted to make a video and just be cautious with this. All right, guys, if you liked the video, give a like, subscribe, comment. Hope to see you in the Discord. Let's make some money. Peace out and happy trading.